Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of Crypto Corner. For news today, Coinbase may have to remove its DApp browser from the Apple App Store. Switzerland's outgoing president has criticized Libra's current form. China has received an application for its first blockchain ETF, and Huobi Indonesia has launched a fiat-to-crypto gateway. So a recent Reddit post revealed that U.S. crypto exchange giant Coinbase may have to remove its DApp browser functionality of its crypto wallet app from the Apple mobile app store. Apple, by the way, is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol AAPL. The CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, responded in the comments section, quote, "Coinbase CEO here, this is really unfortunate to see. Apple seems to be eliminating usage of dApps from the App Store. If Apple customers want to be able to use dApps, we may need to make this request known to Apple in some way. This is an important area of innovation in finance, and many developers and early adopters of this technology have millions of dollars worth of crypto tied up in these financial applications, which they will no longer be able to use on Apple mobile devices if this App Store policy continues." End quote. Reuters reports that Uli Maurer, Switzerland's finance minister and outgoing president, said in an interview with Swiss broadcaster SRF that Facebook's Libra will not succeed as it currently stands. Quote, "I don't think Libra has a chance in its current form because central banks will not accept the basket of currencies underpinning it." End quote. Facebook, by the way, is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol FB. According to that article, quote, "The cryptocurrency is to be backed by a reserve of assets such as bank deposits and government debt held by a network of custodians. That structure is meant to foster trust and avoid the price swings that plague other cryptocurrencies." End quote. A report from Shanghai Securities News indicates that the China Securities Regulatory Commission, or CSRC, has recently received an application for a blockchain exchange-traded fund, or ETF, from asset manager Penghua Fund. If approved, the ETF will be the first of its kind in China. Its aim is to track Shenzhen Stock Exchange-listed companies operating in the blockchain space. An unnamed fund manager of a Beijing fund company said, quote, "The launch of the relevant index gives investors new choices, and they can use the relevant theme funds to obtain dividends in the development of the blockchain industry in the future." End quote. And crypto exchange Huobi recently announced the launch of a local fiat gateway to enable a direct fiat-to-crypto trading facility between the Indonesian rupiah and Tether, allowing investors in the country to use the local fiat currency to trade over 250 cryptocurrencies available on Huobi Indonesia's digital asset exchange. David Chen, the senior director of Huobi Cloud, explained, quote, "The new fiat gateway is part of Huobi's global expansion strategy and reflects our ongoing commitment to working with strong local partners in key markets across the globe. By continuing to add new fiat and crypto pairs for Huobi Cloud 2.0, we want to make it frictionless for investors anywhere in the world to trade digital assets on a trusted and proven platform." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.